Hi guys, welcome to this brand new episode of Wild of the World, and in this episode I will take you to the heart of the Caribbean. We are in the Dominican Republic. In the previous video we enjoyed all-inclusive paradise Punta Cana. But not for long, because we grabbed a rental car and drove up north to Samana, a peninsula full of wonderful nature. We hiked to a jungle waterfall, went on a whale expedition, and relaxed a bit on Paradise Beach, Playa Rincón. Now let's pick it up where we left off in the cozy fishing town of Las Galeras. This is a town where time stood still and we enjoyed the local restaurants and bars. And for the next adventure we grab a local boat. Let's go! Our next day trip brings us to a little island on just a small boat ride from Samana. And this island is picture perfect. So beautiful that a lot of TV commercials were shot here. The name is Cayo Levantado, but you might find it under another name. Yes! Half a century ago, this island was basically unknown, until Bacardi used these scenic beaches for their rum commercials. That's right, welcome to Bacardi Island. And I couldn't possibly leave without this Bacardi and Coke. Drinking rum in the sun, oh yeah.
Or a pina colada.
Half of this island is private property of the Cayo Levantado resort, but the picture-perfect beachside is open to the public. You won't easily find a more tropical, bounty beach than this one. If you take a local boat like us, it will only cost you 10 bucks. To go there and back, and you can stay as long as you like. Another advantage, we are back before the larger groups of tourists arrive. And for us it's time to leave the natural beauty of Samana for a drive along the north coast.
Aquí en Ecopetrol. Petrol.
We drive on to the cultural highlight of the north, the country's oldest city. When we arrive there, we are welcomed by our favorite hotel in the DR.
Jens, where are we? We are in the next hotel. We are in Puerto Plata, and the hotel's name is Emotions by Hodelpa. This is a very chic hotel, so I'm very glad with this room. Look at the size of it. My gosh. We just entered. We're gonna see what to do in Puerto Plata. And this is the view from the balcony, which is pretty nice, pretty nice.
This place is another paradise. The beach is incredible, and next to some poolside relaxing, we enjoy a game of mini golf. We spent 3 days lying in the sun in this beautiful resort called Emotions in Puerto Plata. But it's time for us to travel through the Dominican Republic again, so let's start with that city, Puerto Plata. The city of Puerto Plata has a very special place in history. This was the first town in the New World, in all of America, discovered by nobody less than Cristoffel Columbus. Our walk through the city starts here, at the Puerto Plata Cathedral, built from 1870 in Victorian style. The center of Puerto Plata feels like a small village, and within 15 minutes we walk to the most attractive old building. The fortress of San Felipe was built in 1577 to protect the Spanish colony from the British and Dutch invaders. If you are in Puerto Plata, there's one thing you couldn't possibly skip. And that's this cable car ride to the top of Mount Isabela for the greatest view of the whole Caribbean. I don't know if you guys saw the last cable car going up, but that was full of tourists, and this one is completely empty. Private taxi up to the mountain.
This cable car ride isn't for the faint-hearted. The view is instantly spectacular, but it's also a bit scary to dangle high above the city. Here on Mount Isabel de Torres, we look out over Puerto Plata from nearly 800 meters.
The Dominican Republic used to have a dictator called Rafael Trujillo, and in his days he used to have this bunker on the hillside to protect himself from all the other countries. But now the war is over, and they thought, well, Trujillo is dead, what should we do with this bunker? Let's put a big Jesus on it, and now it's a church. Looks a bit like Rio de Janeiro, right?
The nature up here in the clouds is very interesting too. We go for a little stroll in the botanical gardens. We return with the cable car. Both ways are included in the $10 entry ticket. And a walk around the top is included as well, which makes this a no-brainer and a must-do in Puerto Plata. We now drive on west to the next beautiful place along the north coast.
When you're driving closer to the border of Haiti in the west of the Dominican Republic, you'll notice that there's no more pavement, there's not so much on the street, there's like clay roads, and people are a little bit poorer. It's cozy, little villages, but it's nice, everybody's friendly so far. So we started in Punta Cana and drove all the way up the north coast to Samana, Puerto Plata, and we are now in Monte Cristi, in the most western part of the Dominican Republic, close to Haiti. And we're staying in El Cayito in small cabañas near the coast, which is really lovely. So check this out.
With the drone we see how this little tropical oasis emerges in the dry, rugged landscape. It feels like the edge of the world, far from the busy society, and we enjoy it to the fullest. So, the inside of the famous cabañas of El Cayito. Pretty perfect, right? Everything we need. We're just like 10 feet away from the pool. And we're gonna eat now, so chilling. Isn't this a romantic spot? Monte Cristi is a quiet place and the local food is both cheap and delicious.
Ask the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting.
And these lovely views are free.
Says we take it, can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all.
Monte Cristi is the warmest and driest place you can find in the Dominican Republic. So the nature therefore is very different. Over here we got rocks and mountains instead of sandy beaches. But it's beautiful, and the one behind me, the rock called El Morro, is the most beautiful one of all. And we're just 10 minutes away from it, so let's have a look.
El Morro is a unique natural phenomenon and offers the best coastal views within the Dominican Republic.
Push the pedal to the pavement, always dreaming that we'd make it.
We feel tiny, standing on this beach between the massive cliffs.
Is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel ghosts inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? We don't say goodbye.
Monte Cristi really positively surprised me. I'm drinking this cool Presidente, chilling in the bar, and this landscape around us, it's amazing. Cheers!
Tune in next time for part 3 of the Dominican Republic and join us for more adventure along the south coast. Subscribe and always travel with us. Ciao!
Can we pass a test this time? I can call you mine. We can hit rewind and treat each other right.